Alright guys, so I just placed a pop inside of a retail shop. I'm kind of like 50-50 on the spot because it's really like a retail shop. I'm not gonna say what type of shop it is, but we just gonna test it out and see what it do. So alright guys. Alright, so now I'm on my way to switch out the box at my other location, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so now I'm on my way to collect from the pops box, the pop box. So I'm on my way to collect the box because, like I said, you're not trying to have the boxes in there for a month or so and then a return and your box is gone or somebody took the money out of it. Like, even if it's $5, you gotta go pick that up. So yeah guys, so I'm on my way to pick up the pop box. Basically I'm switching out the box, and it's been there for 2 weeks or so, so I think it's time to switch it out. I went up there yesterday. It was a few pops sold, so I'm just going up there to switch out the box. Alright guys, so guys, we're gonna talk about sports. What do you think about Paul Pierce being fired from ESPN? It's just sad out here, man. You can't be doing that type of stuff, and you got an obligation to your employer. You know what I mean? I don't know, man. Weird out here, bro. That's all I can say. Very weird, very weird. All right, guys. Hello there. How you doing? I'm just switching out the box. So, just switching it out. Alright guys, so I switched out the boxes. Now it's time to see how much money is in the box. I'm extra excited just to see. So alright guys, peace. Alright guys, so this is the box that I picked up, and I basically just switched out the boxes. So we about to see how much money is in here. Hopefully these will do the job. They kind of rinky-dink, so these are called shears. They're not like real scissors, but hopefully it does a job. And it did, guys. I hope I didn't damage the box. Alright guys, so we got $1, that's $2, $3. We got $4. We got $5. We got $6. We got $7.25 out this box. Alright guys, so this 2-week collection only brought in $7.25. Yeah, guys, I made $7.25 off of a 2-week pickup, and but hey, it's better than zero. So if you're paying 10 cents a blow pop, I mean, that's not bad. But all right, guys, peace.